Are you wondering what to do if your iPhone is not charging? Either it's not charging at all, or when you maybe insert your cable, it doesn't even goes fully inside, or it's very loose and as you touch it, it keeps disconnecting. So the most common cause of this is you simply have something stuck in your iPhone charging port, and that happens, for example, if you place your phone in pocket often and your pockets simply are full of like dirt and lint that essentially gets inside the port and messes up your charger. Thankfully, we can actually very easily clean it. So I'll show you for the older Lightning port iPhones and also the Type-C iPhones over here. First, let's start with the Type-C iPhones. And also let me show you what the inside actually looks like so we can understand how to actually clean it safely. So first, for example, this is what your Type-C would look like. Inside you have one large strip basically, which has got tiny connectors. Okay, and the best method really to clean it is simply grab a tiny sewing needle. So the smallest you can get. Again, for Type-C we need absolutely tiny one. Then you would take your needle essentially and go along the bottom edge in a scooping motion and try to pull out any junk. And again, repeat on the other side as well. Again, do not touch the middle strap. We do not want to damage anything there. Also, I suggest to also turn off your phone while you are doing it. So first let's do it on this phone over here. Let me turn on the light. So I will take the tiny needle here and again simply insert in your Type-C port here and simply go fishing. So scrape it like this and pull out anything that comes out. Also obviously make sure to hold your phone like this so everything keeps falling out. So and repeat on the other side. Okay. So you see I actually have like something inside there. So if you can't get it out fully, also I suggest you to even use maybe a blower as well. So we can essentially use this to blow out. As you see, something actually flew out. So a blower like this costs maybe like $1. You can even often find these in pharmacies as well. So basically you first go over with a needle. Okay, so again, while holding your phone like this, fish out whatever comes. Dislodge anything and again follow up with a blower or any other way how to blow inside. Also a toothbrush also is very helpful to dislodge any stuff that might be caked inside there and get rid of everything. So looks pretty clean. So this is what a good port actually looks like. And so for the Lightning port iPhones, it's very similar. However, on these ones we do not have to be as careful as the port obviously is way larger. And I see also even a lot of people even use a toothpick. So again, you can shove basically pretty much anything here. So you see it's very open. Again, you don't have to worry as much here. So again, literally scoop everything out that comes out and follow up with a blower. Okay, and it should be good to go. And finally, also make sure to check out your cable if everything is okay with the cable. So you see there's also kind of space for something to maybe get stuck over here. Also test if your cable is still okay. Often they wear down at around this part. Also, for example, if you insert it in your phone, this cable should fairly actually hold this phone. So you see, I can even shake it and it doesn't go anywhere. If the cable is bad, it usually will fall out very easily. So that's also a good indication. You should maybe invest in a new cable as well for your phone. But yeah, basically a simple needle plus a blower or maybe a toothbrush works absolutely great to get rid of these problems. Good luck.